Welcome to California Woods. Here is a selection of Buckeye Burl billets that is available for sale. I'm going to go through each individual piece here. So piece number one starts there on the end. My saw cut a little crooked on those, so put a straight edge there to show you what you have. You're going to end up with a 7 3/4 inch wide. Right now it's a little bit wider than that, around 8 1/4, 8 or so. So these right here are 3 from here over to that side are 3 7/8 inch thick. These two right here are 2 7/8 inch. This one right here, I don't think it's going to have very much blue in it. It's got a lot of holes in it too. So it's an okay piece, not the best. But those other four, that one, and that one, which are the 3 7/8 inch thick, are very good. This one right here, I think is definitely my favorite. It's the best burl pattern. It does have that little void right there, so be aware of that. And it is about from there to here, 16 inches. Just to give you an idea of how much you're going to have to fill there. And these smaller billets over here, the 28 incher right here, and the 23 inch here. It says 23 right there, but it's kind of hard to read. Those are very, very nice pieces. Definitely high grade guitar parts. And I've taken 4 slices off of this one billet and cut them at 1/4 inch thick to give you an idea of what they look like. Those are still coloring up. I had them stacked for about a week or two, and the color is still coming out in those. So they are still changing, and if you can hold off any on them, they're just going to get more and more blue. So I'm going to go through and flip each piece so you can see the opposite end. They're still kind of green. They've been on stickers for about a month now, but there's still a good amount of moisture in them. And you cut them to 1/4 inch thick though. Put them on stickers, maybe throw a fan in front of it, let them air dry for, I don't know, maybe a week or two, and they should be to around 6 to 10% moisture. So these are the opposite sides of the first video. Yeah, so piece number 2 here is definitely my favorite one. The fewest voids in it and the highest burl quality you can see. So these two right here are the ones that are 2 7/8 inch thick. These two right here. These 4 over here, those are the 3 7/8 inch thick. This one also is a very nice piece. Good quality burl in it, but then at around 30 inches in length. So from right here to here is about 30 inches, and there's a hole here. and that hole goes all the way through that. It's kind of a bummer. That's a really good piece too. So that is piece number 4. And this piece number 7